Hey everybody, if your also Instagram reels are not showing on your Android device and you are looking out how to fix that issue, you may follow up these steps for that. So let's start by updating the application. For that, you can head over to Play Store app, and once you are in the Play Store app, you can go to the search and search for Insta. And once you find Instagram, if there is any kind of update available for the Insta, you can make sure your app is updated to the latest version. If not this, you can even clear the cache for your Instagram. So for that, you can hold the Instagram application and go to the info section. Once you go to the info section, you can just go over, scroll down, find the storage section and tap on it. And after you tap on storage, you can look out for the clear cache option in the bottom right and select it and clear the cache for your Instagram application. If that's not the case, you can also log out and log back in. So you can hold over to Instagram, open it up, and once you open up Instagram, you can go to your profile in the bottom right and select it. And within your profile, look out for the menu at the top and select it. And from there, scroll to the very bottom. And once you scroll, look out for the logout option and select it. And log in back into your profile and see if that makes your Instagram reels appear on your device once again or not. Or if it's not the case, you can also restart your phone. Hold the power button for that and cut for the restart option and refresh your whole device entirely and try accessing the Instagram application once again along with the feature. Also disable data saver if that is turned on for your Instagram. So within here, look out for the menu at the top and select it. And from there, you can scroll down and within here, look out for this data uses and media quality and tap on it. And then once you tap on it, you may turn this feature off if you see this option on right here. And that should also make the Instagram reels appear on your Android Instagram once again. Also check your internet connection. If you do not have a stable internet connection, the features won't appear on your Insta. So you can check it out. And that's it. You can follow up this process to fix that issue. And you should be able to gain back the Instagram reels once again. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.